Welcome back to the Bike Rider Pro. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about motorcycles of the decade, the 2026 Harley-Davidson VR2. This bike signals a bold step forward for Harley, blending cutting-edge technology with unmistakable American muscle design, classic roots. Futuristic edge, the VR2 keeps Harley's iconic stance but sharpens it with a futuristic twist. Clean lines, aggressive LED lighting, and a sculpted aerodynamic frame give it a modern presence, while premium metal finishes and minimalist bodywork preserve that classic Harley soul performance. Power meets precision at the heart of the VR2 is a next-generation high-output engine engineered for smoother delivery and stronger acceleration. Expect instant torque, refined throttle response, and improved efficiency, making the VR2 just as thrilling on open highways as it is controlled in urban riding technology. Smarter than ever, Harley steps into the future with advanced rider tech. The VR2 features a full digital display, ride-by-wire controls, multiple ride modes, and intelligent traction and stability systems. Seamless smartphone connectivity keeps navigation, music, and diagnostics right at your fingertips. Ride experience, comfort, and control. VR2 is built for long rides without sacrificing sportiness. An optimized riding position, adaptive suspension, and improved braking systems deliver confidence, comfort, and precise handling, no matter the road conditions. Final thoughts. The future of Harley, the 2026. Harley-Davidson VR2 isn't just a new motorcycle, it's a statement. It shows where Harley is headed. Bold design, advanced tech, and performance without compromise. If this is the future, Harley fans have a lot to be excited about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more motorcycle updates.